Good morning, everyone. Well, I have the camera. I've got it, the stand where I need it to be over the paper. And I do have my lights up right now, so tomorrow I plan on filming in here. I still need to put some stuff away that I actually just stacked on the desk. And I have put away some of the jewelry that I hadn't put away yet. So I need to finish that over there. I did get the floor picked up. It needs a vacuum yet. I put more stuff in the small Kallax unit. And I think I told you before, I think it's going to have to stay in here. But I'm going to put it behind me. I put a few more things up in the top, and I know it's hard to see with that light on up there. And I think I put another set of pages in there. I don't know if I've really put too much of it. Oh, I put some more things in that. My fussy cut pieces. Or things I'm going to fussy cut. And so I think that's it in here. And I'm going to go into the next room and I'll be right back. Okay, this is a guest room. Remember, I had the bed pretty piled up. I had the floor pretty piled up. Well, I think I put more stuff in here after I started taking stuff out of here. But I've got a lot of this out of here. I mean, this was really stacked up because I had a pile of paper there that was probably 6-8 inches. And there was stuff here, and that's put away right now. I do have to deal with this, everything that you've seen that is still in this room. So hopefully we'll get to that in the next few days. And just a minute, I'll be right back. And here's my table. This is what I was filming on. It was covered. So now it is empty. We can have company and we can actually sit at the table. Actually, I used to clean it off when company was coming. But then, you know, minutes later, I'd have it filled back up with my scrapbook stuff. So I'm pretty happy to have that done. Now, my desk is still really messy, but I've actually moved stuff off that too. And I'll turn around slowly and show you that. Hubby's got his kind of messy too, but mine is the worst. Because I've got like business papers, other information. I've got photos over here. My read the Bible chronologically over here. Some other stuff over here. And then the thing that I always keep my collection obsession in. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I've got done. I still have a lot to do, but since I'm showing you, see, it's making me accountable. So that's why I'm doing it, not to torture you or myself. But I'm pretty happy to have this table cleaned off. Happy to see the table. There's hubby over there. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Tomorrow I am going to be back with a layout. So I will see you then. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.